In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create Roblox account. For this, first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply open your Roblox application. So here you go. Now tap on sign up. First, give your date of birth. From here, I'm matching my date of birth. So I'm gonna match it. Now tap on confirm birthday. Now type your username. So I'm gonna type my username, take process, and now create a password and type it here. So I typed my password. Now select your gender. So I'm gonna select male. Now tap on sign up. Wait a while. Tap on verify. Now you have to solve this puzzle. So I'm gonna solve this puzzle. Here it said that pick the fog. So I'm gonna pick the fog several times. So here we go. And now you can see that my Roblox account has been created. So following this simple process, you can easily create Roblox account. I hope you understand the full video. If you have benefited from this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.